Tonight are some of Fairfield Prep's finest. Some of them are student government members, elected by their peers based on their character, their leadership, and their ability to hand out candy bars with their names on them. They are all here because they offer an image of the archetypical Fairfield Prep student, someone who values justice, wisdom, vineyard vines, and plaid sparrows. We are honored to have a very special guest with us tonight. Prior to Governor Davis taking the throne, there was a dean of students at Fairfield Prep for an amount of years that I didn't take the time to look up. He was a leader, a disciplinary master, and a no-nonsense safety net for all students. He was known for his fearless character and consistent announcements to call down memorable students, such as Pascal Chimichangas, a Mr. Sal Manella. Will Sal Manella come down to my office? And of course, the entire cast of Magnum PI. Ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, Sir John Brennan.
Thank you very much. It's great to be back. It really is. Believe me, I don't miss a lot of things. James is a former prep rugby superstar and editor of the school newspaper Zygots. Next we have Ryan Matera. Ryan is the class vice president. Ryan is a member of the National Honor Society. He has participated in several service trips while at Prep. And this fall, he represented Prep at Teach in for Justice in Washington, D.C. Jack Thornton. Jack is the senior class rep, a prep swimmer, and a baseball player. And finally, our last two class officers. They are not in prep pride. This is the way they dress every day. You will see them later again, but for this moment with their mom. AJ is Director of Communications and James is Class Secretary. Mrs. Hoover teaches English at Prep and is the chair of the Fine Arts Department. And finally, Mr. Kevin Carey, theology teacher and a coach on the Prep football and rugby team. Brendan Blees. And Will Cannon. Nancy has been a Bellamy Guild member during both of her sons' tenure at Prep. Nancy's father, Will's grandfather, was an early Prep graduate, class of 1948, who is pleased his grandson shared the Prep experience and brotherhood. Will is a 4-year tennis team member and current captain. He'll miss being on the tennis team. Member with the Development Guild and the Prep Spring Election for the past 4 years. She helped raise nearly $200,000 for Ryan Brennan Memorial Scholarship at Fairfield Prep, remembering of her nephew. Sean is a four-year varsity tennis player as well as an accomplished musician and composer and producer. Tate Duran. Linda is an active development member and is looking forward to 4 more years at prep with her incoming freshman son. Tate is a member of the varsity basketball team and Cairo's retreat leader. He is also a member of the National Honor Society. Tate will miss the great friends he made at Brennan and Colleen Murphy. Colleen has been on the development board for 3 years and is currently co-president. John, on the prep varsity basketball team, he is an honor student and a member of the National Honor Society. What John will miss the most. Next model is Trish and Turner Donnelly. Trish has been on the Development Guild for 3 years and is currently co-president. Turner played rugby 4 years and was a member of the campus ministry. He is also a freshman retreat leader. Turner will miss hanging out with his friends in the cafeteria. What he will want Julie and Quinn Power. Prep Development Office. She has been an active member of the Development Guild, serving as Communications and Photographer Chair for the last 3 years. Quinn has worked with various clubs, including the production of Monday Report. Quinn will be attending Miami University in Oxford, Ohio. Quinn will miss being in the bomb squad. Leave. Mother's Rosary Group and Dresses for El Salvador Project. She teaches English at the Caroline House. Brennan is a member of the National Honor Society and a member of the Prep Campus Ministry. Brennan will miss the air conditioning in the 4th floor apartments. Is Kathleen and Colin Flynn. Kathleen has been an active member on the board for the past 3 years. Colin is an honor student and has volunteered with the Kennedy Center for the last 4 years. Colin will miss the friends he has made at prep. He will also miss his mom's cooking. He and AJ Mansalillo. Marie has served on the Relevant Board for 2 years as Secretary and Treasurer. AJ plays varsity football and is currently captain. He is also a Pitt Student Government Director of Communications and class rep, and a member of the National Honor Society. AJ will miss Pitt football, especially when Coach Elstrom actually smiles. I don't think that's going to happen. And Sidney McHugh. Cindy is a 12 consecutive year Bellman board member. She has chaired most of our board positions and has been treasurer and president. This year, Connor is her last son to graduate, ending her 12-year prep connection. Connor is a former member of the varsity ski and sailing team. He volunteers at the Cardinal Sheehan Center at Bridgeport and the Bridgeport community boating and sailing. Connor will miss the easy camaraderie he has had with all the prep boys, especially his teammates. Rock, he will miss most about his mom who's ready. Jen is a volunteer coordinator on the Bellman Field this year and a member of the fashion show committee. James played varsity football for the Jesuits. He is a member of the National Honor Society and spent 4 years as a member of the Prep Student Government. Robinson. Professional actress who is currently appearing in On Golden Pond at the Darien Arts Center stage. She teaches acting at the Darien Arts Center and the Riverfield Elementary School. Liam plays varsity golf and football at Prep. He hopes to start a career in the film industry. Watch out, Bradley Cooper.